Times Now exposed how the state machinery was deliberately paralyzed. UP police has obtained arrest warrants against the accused politicians, but no political arrests have been made so far.
In fact, the accused leaders even daring the UP cops to arrest them. With the opposition now severely stepping up attack, Akhilesh Yadav says it's a pre-planned conspiracy.
Just 24 hours after Times Now sting exposed how the state deliberately turned a blind eye to the Muzaffarnagar violence, state administration went into a tizzy, issuing non-bailable arrest warrants to the politicians responsible for instigating violence. But despite arrest warrants, not a single leader is behind bars.
Our teams are working on this investigation, and very soon whoever is guilty will be booked.
So how many warrants have been issued till now? How many warrants?
Almost 20 till now. 20 NBWs are issued from the different court, and very soon the number will be more.
In a shocking display of political arrogance, BSP and BJP MLAs went on to protest outside the UP assembly, daring the UP government against their arrest.
की गेट पर गिरफ्तारी की तैयारी है। मैं आज चेतावनी देती हूं समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार को कि संख्या बल तुम्हारे पास है तो नैतिक बल हमारे पास है, और अगर इस प्रकार से लड़ाई करनी है तो इसके परिणाम अच्छे नहीं होंगे।
However, UP police say that those responsible for instigating violence will be punished regardless of their stature.
Sources in government say that arrests of accused politicians is on the cards. Officers on the ground have been given a go-ahead to go after those against whom arrest warrants have been obtained. The opposition, however, especially the BJP, sensing the mood of the government, has already gone on an offensive, even issuing veiled threats of tensions further escalating in case of arrest.
But so far, the leaders who were openly seen making provocative speeches remain scot-free, raising serious questions on whether the UP government is deliberately giving a long rope to those guilty.
Now the moot question remains, how long will it take for Akhilesh Yadav to show spine and arrest all those politicians who instigated mobs and violence in Muzaffarnagar? In Muzaffarnagar with video journalist Mukesh, this is Aditya Raj Kaul for Times Now.